Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get paid for car detailing. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that, for example, you have started detailing cars and service is going great. What is the best way to actually get paid? So with this method, guys, I've been detailing cars for well over 4 years now, and I've been using this app called Cashtag to receive payments. There's no hidden fees, guys, which is absolutely fantastic. And that is the number one thing that I look for when it comes to actually detailing cars. So with that though, if you haven't signed up for Cashtag just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and once you do, we'll both instantly get $5. But if we open up Cash App here, it's a very simple and easy interface. You can request money, so let's say that you charge $90 an hour for car detailing. You would just type in 90 and then click on request, and then you would enter the owner's name, phone, or email to actually request money from them. So notice how whenever I type here, the Cash App directory changes. You would just simply find their name and make sure that their name and Cashtag matches their account. So with that though, the other party would also need to have Cash App as well. So make sure that they sign up for Cash App so that you can actually request money from them. Now with that though, Cash App just makes it super convenient to actually store a cash balance as well. So notice on the bottom left hand side, you'll see that my cash balance is $9. But with that though, you can actually sign up for a Cash App card and use this cash balance to fund future payments. So signing up for a card is free. The card comes within 3 to 5 business days. They don't do a credit pull. It's basically just Cash App's physical debit card that you get for free. And on the bottom right hand side, if you click on the clock icon, here is where you would see different activities such as recent transactions, money going in or money going out. But with Cash App though, it's super easy to use. It'll make it super easy also to receive money from clients. And this is how I've been receiving money from my clients for my car detailing business. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually receive money, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.